Hi guys, welcome back to Living My Blessed Life. If you're new here, my name is Mandy and I want to thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a like and click that subscribe button. Right now I am in the middle of Vlogmas, which means that I upload every single day, and after December I will be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today's video is in collaboration with Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. Please go over and check out her channel. She focuses on cleaning, organizing, and some amazing DIY projects. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below. Please go tell her hello and that Mandy sent you, and check out all of her videos. I promise you, you will not be disappointed.
Listen to such a beautiful sound. It's all right now.
Today I will be doing a light cleaning of the hall bathroom, kitchen, and living room, but I will be focusing on cleaning the laundry area. We are getting a new washer on Monday and it desperately needed to be cleaned. I hope this video gives you some cleaning motivation, and don't forget to go check out Casey's channel. Enjoy!
You gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat. You know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now. must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was